What's up, everybody? On this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics, we are gonna What? Ah, I died. I'm so nervous. You're so beautiful. Can we just take a second and look at this guy's hair? Look at this. Today we're gonna tear into the spare motor from Memphis. We're gonna take the twin turbos off, take the intake manifold off, lower and upper, take the whole front end off, get the transmission and the engine separated completely. We have to sell this transmission because it's an automatic and I don't own it. Also, it's going to help with the build. Also, if you guys know anybody that's looking for an automatic transmission for a 13B Roo, let us know. When in doubt, hammer it out. Is it all seized or what?
No, I'm just trying to figure out where everything goes.
That belt's seen some better days. You know, it'd be funny for Definitely Not Mechanics have Rachel do all the work.
I don't know what to do.
Actually,
no.
I want you, Miss Cherry Tomato, to see if you can get the alternator off.
I'm fine.
Use your critical problem solving.
No, that's what men are for.
Don't say that. You just set women back like 20 years there.
I'm setting myself back. I don't want to do it. I don't want to get my nails dirty, and I already broke one this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, she's being honest.
Well, I mean, there's that, Zach. I don't.
She's being honest. It's your
Why
wife.
do you think we got married? Like,
That's your wife, my friend.
you were the man.
Zach, how do rotary engines sound? Do it.
Why don't you do it first?
It's like rotary engines are like brap 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 brap.
Shouldn't it sound
Boop, boop,
meaner?
boop, 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 boop. What?
Depends on how it's built.
You do it. Brap, brap. Here, I'll play the video for you.
Most of the time, you're gonna hear it go.
13B
That makes sense.
street port. Here we go.
This is how mine shits out.
I'd call it more of a brum.
Brum.
Yeah, I wouldn't call
Can
it
you
a brap.
can you replicate it?
No.
What does that sound like to you?
Your farts?
Oh. Okay.
You should have known that was coming.
Yeah.
Should have known.
Oh, that's good sound. Brum. How does it go? Come on, I gave my best rotary. Let's hear your rotary.
I did.
We've gone
What was
over
it?
this.
You didn't. You weren't paying attention.
I-
You were too worried about pulling a video up when I was doing it.
No shit.
Oh shit.
Stay tuned and you'll hear how it sounds.
Your wife with the zingers.
Yeah. Hey, AV conversation. All right.
So, see your way out.
Yeah.
Well, that's to me.
Okay. Story of my life right there. Well, telling you, bro. Had a pretty good zinger last night on my brother.
Yeah. He brought home some Snickers. He's like, "Hey, I got you a Snickers," and he went to go put it in the fridge and he dropped it. I was like, "It's not a Butterfingers, it's a Snickers."
Oh,
It's a zing.
there's a bazinga. That was a full bazinga, not just a zinger.
He didn't know what to say. He was like, "That's actually a pretty good one, bastard."
Oh, don't stop.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, do we have PB Blaster? I have some in my storage. I know it's helpful here, but
Not really gonna help.
oh, I was gonna just hit it a couple times. Hey, guy,
Wake up!
wake up.
Yeah, y'all are definitely not mechanics.
Hey there.
I don't think tapping and saying, "Hey, bud," is gonna get it off.
Bad part is
It's gonna get Zach off. Oh.
Don't make it weird.
Have you not watched this channel?
Oh shit. Speaking of, Logan's a bitch.
Yeah.
Hear that car?
That's the Supra.
That's the Supra.
Oh. Let's go look at this Supra. Maybe they'll do a burnout. The fuck? Oh. Oh shit, here it comes. Look at that. Going on the dyno. I can hear that bitch from here. Damn, it's loud. What you looking at, bud?
Seeing at how the turbos are mounted.
Those are like itty bitty turbos.
Teeny tiny. That's why everybody just gets rid of them and puts big turbo on.
It's just a few bolts. I can show you how to do it if you need me to. Like we just. And boom, it's done. It's easy.
Just like that, huh?
God, man, see. Oh yeah, get that. Oh yeah. That's the most awkward looking starter. God, I would hate that. Oh, let's look on the inside there. A little look. Little looky loo. Yikes.
This thing has seen better days.
All right, everybody. Transmission for sale. How many miles did he say it this had?
Don't remember. Honestly.
I don't think it was very much.
Woo.
Just add to the collection of parts.
Hello. Okay. So, short, sweet, quick, my typical day. So my dumbass forgot a lot of the tools that I need, extensions, ratchets, you know, the things you always need. But we got the transmission separated from the motor, so we're gonna take some pictures, post that up for sale. If we can sell this, then
That pays for the new custom. Oh, I don't want
yeah,
to.
it'll pay for the very nice stuff that we're getting on the way soon.
It's already been shipped.
Hopefully. Within the next week or two, we should be getting those parts. Once those come in, we should be able to make some pretty good progress and then keep on going from there. And just keep hustling. With all COVID-19, things have been getting slow. Things are really difficult to do right now, unfortunately. So, but we got this far today. Not where I wanted to end, but it is what it is.
So with all of that, before you guys do anything else on this episode, we are going to actually just end the episode today. We were going to do a two-parter, but we're just going to end it right now. Real quick.
It's hot, man.
It is hot. Go check Definitely Not Mechanic, or facebook.com/Definitely Not Mechanics. Check out the shop. I've fixed a lot of it, so I know a lot of y'all have been saying that some things aren't working. It's all fixed now, so go check out some merch. We got koozies, shirts, everything. We have the Definitely Not Mechanic. His is one-off custom, but this is what the shirt looks like. It's my classic. That's really awkward to see, but anyways, go check us out. Also, right now, hit the subscribe button. Help us out. My birthday is in July. July 3rd is my birthday. We need 140 more subscriptions or subs in order to hit 500, our goal. So as my birthday present to me, please help me out. Go hit the subscribe button. We need 500 before my birthday.
Like, share, comment, do everything you physically can to help us get to that point. We know it's not a lot. I mean, to us, it means so much. But
Huge.
The more y'all help, the better. So please, like, subscribe, share, tell everybody and their babies to go do the same thing.
And we will have a lot more entertaining. I know a lot of the stuff up until now is boring, working on the truck, stuff like that. We're going to have some fun videos coming up for you here shortly of us actually doing stuff. Not necessarily on the Rust Bucket, obviously, but we have some other fun videos coming. So thanks for everything. We'll see you later.